Good evening, and welcome to our top story tonight. Rolls-Royce, the pinnacle of luxury motoring, made headlines in 2023 with record-breaking achievements across the board. Rolls-Royce soared to unprecedented success in 2023, achieving remarkable milestones in global sales and unparalleled customization through their Bespoke program. In 2023 alone, Rolls-Royce saw a surge in Bespoke commissions, setting new records in both value and number. Marking 2 decades at Goodwood, Rolls-Royce commissioned a study showcasing their staggering economic contribution to the UK. The report tallied a £4 billion overall contribution since 2003, with an annual £500 million addition to the UK economy. Expanding the global reach, Rolls-Royce unveiled exclusive private offices, offering tailored experiences to clients worldwide. The addition of Private Office Shanghai amplified Rolls-Royce's Bespoke commissions, propelling creativity to new heights. Rolls-Royce unveiled ambitious plans to revolutionize their manufacturing facilities and embrace an all-electric future. With bold strides into the electric realm, the rollout of Spectre, their first all-electric model, sparked immense interest among younger clients. In 2023, Rolls-Royce delivered a record-breaking 6,032 motor cars worldwide, setting unprecedented global sales records. The marque's global impact extended to Europe, Asia-Pacific, and the Middle East, solidifying its position as a global luxury leader. The heart of Rolls-Royce lies in its Bespoke program, delivering unmatched personalization, while Coachbuild witnessed landmark innovation. 2023 showcased technical marvels such as scent release mechanisms and exquisite craft techniques, redefining luxury motoring. Rolls-Royce's forward-thinking approach led to significant investments in modernizing facilities and nurturing future talent. Plans for facility upgrades symbolize a transformative step towards innovation, reflecting the company's exponential growth. Rolls-Royce, a beacon of unparalleled luxury, continues to redefine automotive excellence while making an indelible mark in the industry's history. That's all for tonight's top story. Stay tuned for more updates on Rolls-Royce's journey towards a future of luxury and innovation. Good night.